My name is Barry Wilson, family man, classic car enthusiast, certified mechanic, and your guide under the hood of your favorite classic car.
Hey, Barry Wilson, Wilson Auto Repair. Still working on the Firebird 1969 model. Today we're putting an apron on the fenders. They call them splash shields to keep water from flying up into the engine bay when you run through water. And it's just a flexible piece that fits on the inner fender and kind of sits over the top of the upper control arm. So when you hit some water, it doesn't flash up into the motor and cause problems. Mostly in my case, it'd be the dirt that they would bring up into my engine that wouldn't make me too happy. So you can see in this video, we had to remove the tire, and then we took the new splash shields, held them up there to make sure that they looked like they were going to fit right. And then we used a rivet gun to put them in. Now that, if you're a purist and you want it put back in so it looks like factory, they also send along some horseshoe nails, is what I'd call them, and you hold them up in there and bend them over. I haven't had a whole lot of success with those. They don't seem to hold very well, and we just use pop rivets, and then we use a magic marker to blacken out the pop rivets so that it doesn't show, and actually works a whole lot better, stays a lot better, and my customer will be a whole lot happier so it doesn't fall down while he's driving down the road. In this video, you're going to see an impact wrench that we use to take the wheels off. It's electric, and you're also going to see our pop rivet tool, and either one of those are listed on our website, wilsonauto.com. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. Thanks for watching.